everyone, welcome back with me Krishna again in this channel that always gives you the information about places in Bali with the update situations. How are you today? I hope you are doing good. Stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Okay, so I'm still in Sanur. As my previous video, I walked through this directions to go to Segara Beach, passing through Segara seaside bars and etc. And now I will walk through this side, guys. Let's see how is the situations along the beach on this side. So don't go anywhere and let's watch until the end of this video. And if you just found this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel, please guys subscribe this channel to support it so that the channel can grow, and I will really appreciate it. Okay, so this is the situations around here. As you can see, the construction is still ongoing. We passed through earlier turtle conservations, but it's not done yet. I think it's around 70%. And here there are like small houses. I don't know actually what it is for. It is maybe for local people to sell food or drinks. I'm not really sure about it. And here in front of me is Bubu Chill and Grill, guys. And they are open. But unfortunately, I don't see a lot of people here. It is a nice place. So you can sit here, enjoy food or drinks, and also enjoy the view of the beach. And here is nice cafe. Here is nice cafe or restaurants, and quite a lot of people here, guys. I think the name, if not mistaken, is Soul on the Beach. Look at this, guys. Some people are enjoying their drinks and food, of course. And here I think it's the Kayamanis seaside. They are also open, and the staff, they are starting to clean all the things because this morning we had rain, guys. In Bali we are having our raining seasons now, and it's quite often actually we got rain almost every day, on and off, something like that. And here, I don't know what is the name of this cafe or restaurant, and they are closed. And this is the Sanur Beach Market, guys. It's nice to see shops are open. So if you visit this area and you like to buy any clothes, Balinese clothes, souvenirs, something like that, you can come here. You can give them some sales, and for sure they will be very happy. Because as you can see, guys, the situations around here, almost no one actually. And what is this? Breakfast and lunch 50k. And it's nice villa, I think. I don't know why they have wall here, so they cover the view of the beach. And here on the right side is another nice cafe. It's Sun Beach and Bar. It's almost no one also here. It's really sad to see it. I don't know if they are open or not because I don't see anybody here. It's a nice place actually to sit, enjoy food or drinks, and enjoying the view. And there are some people here, guys, but I don't know what they are doing. Seems they are having fun there. And And here also is not really optimistic. All are closed, unfortunately. But here I think a restaurant open. I think the name is the Lion Restaurant. And they are open and they have their menu here written on this board, guys. And here, look at this, guys. Really sad to see. I think this is the Art Hotel. They have been closed since a very long time already, actually. I think look at the pool, guys. It's still very clean. I don't know why they haven't opened yet. And here is Gazebo Beach Hotel. It's the same situations, guys. Almost no one is here. It's a nice place. It's really sad to see these situations actually, because this place or this area used to be a lot of visitors. They're enjoying their time by the beach, having food and drinks. But now, as you can see the situations, almost no one is here. And this is nice area or nice place as well. The beach here is very clean, and I think this is the Tanjung Sari Hotel, guys. It's a very nice hotel facing directly to the beach and the restaurants as well. And they have their pool there nearby the restaurant, so you can swim, enjoy your food and drinks, and enjoy the view of the beach. Very nice. And this one is also another nice hotel. I think this is the Besaki Beach Hotel. They have very nice swimming pool facing directly to the beach. And as you can see here, there are some people, they are working. I think it's still a long project because they are putting the new sidewalk. So let's hope this project will finish soon and this area will be arranged well. And I really hope that our tourism will be back soon, even though slow, but at least there is a process actually. And here is very nice hotel as well. It's Ria Santrian Hotel. And some people are enjoying their food here as well. Look at this, guys. It's very nice. Clean beach. Well managed actually. Okay, so this is the situations around here. So what do you think about this area, guys? Do you like to stay in this area? I think it's very nice area, very clean. And of course now it's not really good conditions because the construction is still ongoing. or the project is still ongoing. So maybe where the sidewalk is done and they clean and then they manage it again or rearrange the place again or the area. I think it's very nice place in this area, guys. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support us by subscribing our channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.